back to Inside Lab Tech. Today, we're diving into an exciting and sometimes controversial topic: how AI is transforming academic writing. Whether you're a student struggling with essays or a researcher drafting a paper, AI tools can be a game changer. But how much should we rely on them? Let's explore the benefits, the best tools available, and the ethical dilemmas surrounding AI in academic writing. AI is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's actively assisting writers today. Here's how AI is making a difference in academic writing. Idea generation. AI helps brainstorm topics and refine research questions. Research assistance. It finds relevant sources, summarizes papers, and organizes citations. Draft creation. Some AI tools can even generate entire sections of a paper based on prompts. But does this mean AI is replacing human writers? Not quite. Instead, it's acting as a smart assistant, making the process more efficient while leaving the critical thinking to you. Let's take a look at some of the best AI tools available, categorized by their purpose. Research management tools. Tavali AI organizes research notes and manages citations seamlessly. Harissa AI mind map research fields, allowing users to explore concepts, pros, cons, and examples related to a specific input. Writing assistance tools. Yomu AI helps with brainstorming, drafting, and citations. Jenny AI generates high-quality academic language while maintaining originality. ChatGPT offers structure, clarity, and formatting suggestions. Perplexity AI generates high-quality academic language while maintaining originality. Editing and refinement tools. PaperPal provides real-time feedback on academic conventions and citation formatting. Grammarly AI enhances language quality and grammar. Plagiarism detection tools. Ensuring originality is crucial. Tools like Turnitin and Grammarly Plagiarism Checker help maintain academic integrity. Data analysis tools. AI also assists in data analysis for research projects, making complex calculations and visualizations more accessible. Top AI tools in this category include Julius AI, Probe AI, Google's AutoML, Microsoft's Power BI, and Einblick. Let's highlight some key features that make these AI tools essential for academic writing. Language enhancement. AI refines your writing style for clarity and precision. Citation management. Automatically formats citations in APA, MLA, Chicago style, or styles user instructed. Plagiarism detection. Ensures originality by comparing your work against vast databases. AI is powerful, but should we use it without limits? Let's talk ethics. Avoiding plagiarism. AI-generated content still needs proper citation and original thought. Maintaining critical thinking. Relying too much on AI can hinder personal growth in writing. Transparency in AI use. Should academic institutions require students to disclose AI usage? These are important questions as AI becomes more integrated into education. Here's something to think about. Are AI tools enhancing our creativity and efficiency, or are we at risk of losing our originality? Can we truly maintain academic integrity while leveraging AI assistance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. AI is a great tool when used correctly. Here's how to get the most out of it. Use AI as a guide, not a crutch. Maintain your own voice in writing. Cross-check AI-generated content. Verify facts and avoid misinformation. Combine AI with human expertise. AI can assist, but your insights make the writing meaningful. After testing and experimenting with multiple AI tools for academic writing, we've discovered the best one, along with the most efficient way to use it. Curious to know which tool stands out? Let us know in the comments. Once we hit 50+ requests, we'll create a dedicated video revealing our top pick and how to use it effectively. In conclusion, AI is transforming academic writing, but the key is balance. By using AI responsibly, you can enhance your writing while maintaining originality and critical thinking. How do you use AI in academic writing? Let's discuss in the comments.